So this is the month to date market internals. So I'm going to put the cursor here on October 1st, and you can see these are daily charts. I'm looking at 8 things. So Apple, NVIDIA, Tesla, Google, Alphabet, Microsoft, oil, gold, dollar. So the winners on the upside are Apple, NVIDIA, these two right here. And then go down here, take a look at gold and in the dollar. The sexiest chart is going to be the dollar and NVIDIA. Gold's nothing to sneeze at, but it just hasn't had as steep as an incline. So on the flat zip code, oil and Microsoft, and on the down, we had Tesla and Alphabet / Google. Next chart. High time frame charts on the left. We've got the daily from last week, Monday, holiday on the bank side, Columbus Day. We go through this red line, which is the upper Bollinger Band. Tuesday, we go through it, come back down, retrace some of the price action on the Monday, on the Tuesday candle. And notice the lows here. I've tagged here a zip code area of around 58, 59, 58, 60 with this dashed line, because that was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday lows. Thursday, we go and pierce the upper Bollinger Band. Friday, stubby candle with short candle wicks above and below, but we still managed to go upper Bollinger Band. So 4 out of 5 days upper Bollinger Band. On the right, what we've got is a Friday of this week. Note the candlestick, the wick here went through the red. When did we do that? We did that right here on the daily at Thursday, and that was a 59.27 high on the daily, and that's noted here again in the weekly context. So that really shows you, with a fairly light news week, a couple of weeks before the election, there's a lot of manipulation going on, and the economy is not the stock market. Next chart, 15-minute chart. So let's look at it naked right here. So what we've got, I'm down here on the lower left corner, Wednesday. Now let's put some lipstick on this. So right away, you can see the high of the year came in on Thursday, pre-RTH open, and that went up to 59.27. I pointed that out on the candlestick on the higher time frame, daily, weekly. So that would be primary buy side liquidity above that if they want to go there for this new week coming up. So let's look at some levels below. Number one, I can say for Thursday for sure, if you notice there's low resistance, black down bars here, and we got as far down as right here. This is the first present fair value gap of last week, okay? And that level comes in right around 58.76 and change. So that also manifests where we're at for Monday's RTH open, which is 58.76.75. So this would be minor sell side liquidity. And if how price behaves in the new week coming up, if we go through it, the next sell side liquidity that I'm looking for, again, was the zone we marked off on the higher time frame areas, which is 58, 58, 50. So that's the dotted line, purple, light purple right here. And then all these minor sell side liquidity levels in those 2 red lines. We never really broke through that last week. So if I show you here where we were, this was Tuesday of last week, and we just couldn't break through. We tagged them with candle wicks, but we were not able to get sell side liquidity out of that. So that's really interesting. The new week open gap is right down here, October 14th. So again, multiple PD arrays, minor sell side liquidity, new week open gap, And then to be conservative, I'm up above it here at 58.58. So that is basically a possibility if I was going to go lower. But first, bears or the algo, either way, have to go at 58.76.75. That's the sell side liquidity level that we've got to break to continue lower. That's the 15-minute chart on the business from last week. I'm going to be very patient. Next week, we're getting closer and closer to the election. Aloha, take care, and I'll see you on the next vid. Aloha.